Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today is a quick light recipe that requires no cooking. You'll need a variety of fruits and one from each fruit is usually enough to make a huge bowl. Some fruits like bananas and apples oxidize or turn black after being cut, so cut them last so that they don't change colors while you're cutting up the other fruits. The only fruit we're using that isn't fresh is pineapple, and why not fresh? Because we're going to use the syrup water from the can to sweeten the fruit salad. Honestly, I like the canned pineapples much better than I like the fresh ones. We are going to add in the juice of 1 or 2 oranges because citrus prevents fruits from oxidizing and turning black. Mix the fruits well in the bowl to make sure the juice covers every fruit and refrigerate because this is best served cold. For an extra flavor punch, you can toast some coconut shavings, almond slices and pine nuts and garnish each serving or add directly into the fruit salad mix. It looks beautiful and colorful, takes so little time to make and tastes delicious. Fresh and fruity, obviously. So thanks for watching Happy Kitty Kitchen and we hope you have a great day. Bye.